Most workshops repair wheels one at a time. One technician, one process, and a lot of waiting in between. It works, but it limits how many wheels you can actually get through in a day. Now imagine a different approach. Not a repair station, but a complete wheel factory. Here, wheels don't move one by one, they move as a flow. Each wheel is tracked, processed, and documented from start to finish. While one wheel is being prepared, another is being cut, and another is being painted and cured. Everything happens at the same time. The difference is automation. The machines do the work, not the operator. That means one technician can manage multiple processes without slowing anything down. Wheels move seamlessly from step to step, with no bottlenecks, no downtime, and no inconsistency. Instead of repairing a few wheels per day, you're now running a continuous production line. More wheels, less labor, same high-quality result every time. The result? Faster turnaround, higher margins, and a completely scalable operation. This isn't just wheel repair. This is the future of wheel restoration. This is the Wheel Factory.